Hey, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. I'm Can, this is Bree, and today we're gonna learn how to move an invisible sphere and use it with waving. Okay, so it's a waving concept, right? Instead of just waves, we're gonna pretend like it's an actual sphere. See that? So if I go like this, right? This is what we learned last time, like we're just waving with our hands, right? This is kind of more like a melon, like a tiny little melon or a grapefruit. I think if you focus on holding a grapefruit,
Honestly, I've never held a grapefruit.
you could probably get an actual grapefruit and hold it and then just move it around and see how your fingers feel, right? And then once you're done, let go of the fruit, just practice it on your own and check this out. First of all, you can compress it, okay, like squeeze it like a squishy ball. Okay, you could do squishy. You could do bowling ball where it's very rigid and it only stays in that shape, or you could expand it, right? And then move it around that way. Okay? Or you could pretend like there's a ball floating within your hands. You see what I'm saying?
No, do it.
So the ball is here. Okay, go like that with your hands. So the ball is like a fist-sized ball. Now move around my fist. Ooh, you see that? You see how she's pretending like it's there? And then you could pretend like it's there. You could be like this.
Oh.
Toss it.
That reminds me of a
Catch.
globe.
Exactly.
No globe.
Right? And then you could expand, retract, expand, retract, and then you could twist, okay? Because it could be a squishy ball. You could twist into little ones and rip it apart. See, it could be like Play-Doh. See that? So yeah, pretend like it's like a little jar. You could just twist the top off, you know, but try to move it into different places. Here, let's do this. Let's go from here, center ball. We're gonna twist it over here, twist it over here, twist it down here, twist it down here. All I'm doing is this, by the way. I'm just going boop, 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 boop. And every time you twist, move it in a different position, okay? So all I'm doing is leading it. I'm leading it with this hand and the other hand's following, right? Just like the hand wave. So twist, follow, rotate, go around. This one's a really fun one. Okay, right here, you're gonna wanna go flip around, bring it over here. Yeah, basically you're drawing a circle with a sphere. So that's what I'm doing. I'm drawing a circle going this way with this sphere. Okay, so think like planets. You know how the moon, yeah, just like a globe, or like the solar system, right? If this is the sun, and then the Earth, which is not that much bigger, this is not supposed to be that big. But anyway, you know what I mean? So this goes around the sun, or it's a moon that's going around the Earth, right? And you remember, you could twist, you can rotate it, expand. So that's a cool one, expanding it, and basically combining all the little different tips that I was just showing you and turn it into one concept. So you could start small, tell a story, toss it up, catch, expand it, twist it, do the circle-y thing that I was doing, and then go to different corners. And here's the cool thing, you already have a huge ball to play with, which is your head. You could do the same concepts with your head, like take it out, put it back, twist, like whoop,
Twist your head.
whoop, whoop, whoop. You know? So yeah, waving with a ball is not that hard. You just got to know how to manipulate that ball of energy. Really, that's what it is. Because watch, once you know how to do all this stuff, right, and play around with the sphere shape, you could toss it and then continue a wave, and then boom, the sphere appears again like magic. You know, so really use your imagination and just play around with that concept, and then swallow it up with your wave.
Whoa.
See? And then you could bring it back out, and you can make it pretty much pop out anywhere on your body. So if you go like
Pop out of your knee.
yeah, so if you can go whoop whoop whoop, boom, my knee.
Got the world in your hand.
Bleh, you could throw it up, whatever you want. So yeah,
Great.
remember, twist, rotate, or draw a circle, right? anything circular or you know, symmetric, like this thing where you like separate it. Try a lot of different symmetrical shapes, and yeah, experiment with that. I hope you find something interesting, and if you have any questions on how you can expand it, just go ahead and message me at ken.poreotics, and I'll see you next time. Bye.